So here's just a quick tutorial on how to play your flashback or replay mod replay. Let's say, for example, you forgot to record, say you were making a time lapse, but you forgot to record a big chunk of it. Well, I've just figured out a way to basically do that. So if you're using the replay mod, then there's a couple extra steps you'll need to do. So if you're using the flashback mod, then you can skip ahead in this video about 2 minutes. So what you'll want to do is download the flashback mod, which is basically just like the replay mod, and record your replay. So you're like recording a recording basically. Basically, you'll just want to back up the ReplayMod file that you're using because we're going to delete every keyframe here, and we're just going to hide our camera in somewhere where it won't be seen in the time lapse, and we'll just put a keyframe here and here. And then you'll just want to click start recording on the flashback. You can just record the whole replay if you want, or record the point in the replay at which you want to copy. So you could literally just record 1 second just to get your replay mod world into the flashback mod. So what you want to do is you want to have the WorldEdit mod installed, and for my time lapse I do not have me building this and maybe some other things in my time lapse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy basically this whole bunch of blocks and paste it into either a backup or just probably a random world would work. I'm going to go here and I'm going to, you know what, let's copy a lot. Let's just copy a lot of stuff. So let's go down here and let's see my coordinates, and I'm going to clear my history first, and I'm going to go POS1, so 27, 185 would be the block that's beneath me. But I need to put commas, 185, comma, so comma and no spaces. So that would be my position 1. And then let's go up to, so that would be copying this half of the house. I don't need all of the house copied, but I'm just going to stand on this corner block, and I'll go / position 2, 59, comma 2 to 1, comma 17. So we have the positions set. Also, I know you can use a axe to do this, but the axe doesn't work in flashback, so I have to put it in the coordinates manually. So after we do this, we will just stand here and just go / copy, then we will go / so it's copied to our clipboard. So now what we need to do is save our clipboard to paste into another world. So what we would do, we would go / schem save, and then just have a name. So I'm just going to name it replay2, which will save it to the clipboard. You need to remember the name of what you save it as. And so everything in this area has been saved. So if I go save and quit here, then go into a backup of the world, as you can see, it is not, it's not at the point of the time lapse that I want it to be. So I think I'm just going to stand in this spot, and I'm just going to paste this schematic, and hopefully everything works out. I haven't tested this yet, but skim load replay 2, then skim paste replay 2. No, it wouldn't be that. It would just be / paste. And there you go. And now you can basically just play. Whoops. Now you can just play the world and, you know, like build whatever part of the time lapse that you missed out on. and record. So I would record, build the parts of the time lapse I'm missing, and then, you know, export that, and I would have my missing part of my time lapse. Anyways, yeah, that's it. I have literally been building my house. Like, I have backups of my house, and I've literally been like recreating these areas because sometimes I forget to record for like 5 or 10 minutes, and I've literally been recreating parts of my house and rebuilding them for the replay, and it's it's been kind of annoying. And I asked I'm not sure if I want to show this in the video, but I asked the developer of the flashback mod if there's a way to fill in the gaps in my time lapse. Like, I explained what I was doing pretty clearly, and he basically just said not really. Keep in mind the flashback developer has also created a WorldEdit mod called Axiom, basically like WorldEdit. I think I haven't ever used it before, so he would have more than enough knowledge of if this was possible. All that he would have needed to do was literally say download WorldEdit or Axiom and copy the coordinates and then paste it into a world. That's all he would have had to say, but he didn't elaborate or anything. He just said not really. Anyways, that's all I wanted to share for the video, because yeah, as I said, I have been like manually creating the gaps in my replay and re-recording them, and it's been really time consuming. And so I don't know if anyone else will have this problem, but I hope this helps. Anyways, see ya.